Hi everyone, I'm Johnny.
And I'm Lisa.
Welcome to the Beagles Workshop, where our desire is to bring God glory in everything that we do.
Today in the Beagles Workshop, we're going to be experimenting with something just a little bit different. We are going to be using our Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect 3D printer for the first time. You can see here Johnny is unboxing everything, and once we get it all unboxed, we're going to assemble and then download software so that we can do our first print. You will see from unboxing to assembly and the first print all in this video. We got this 3D printer from Dimension Works out of Ocala, Florida. Johnny's brother Jeff and his wife Mindy run the business there in Ocala. Again, it's called Dimension Works. They sell and service high-end 3D printers. In this video, I have sped up the assembly portion so that you can see from start to finish, from unboxing to finished product of our first 3D print. So you can see here that Johnny is getting everything ready. He's adding the air manager onto the top as well as the hood there. He's also putting the glass front back on. So this particular Ultimaker 3D printer uses a software called Cura, and once we have everything assembled and we start it up, we will get connected to our Wi-Fi at home, and then we will be ready to start process for printing. You can see here the 3D printer is now on, everything is connected, and so we moved over to the computer and downloaded the software needed. There's also something called Thingiverse where you can get items for printing. Once we moved over to the 3D printer, once again we had to load the filament, and you can see that Johnny did that there at the back, and you run it through. Next portion, you will see us calibrating the machine there to make sure everything is level and ready for printing. Once the machine had heated up, there was a little bit of filament that came out so that we could see what that looked like, and we were then ready to print our piece. We had selected from Thingiverse a cross that was Philippians 4:13, and so you can see here the 3D printer is now starting to make the brim, which is the outer edge there where the 3D piece will be printed, in the center of that. You can see the progress of the cross as it is being printed. And then there you can see the Bible verse being put on the top, Philippians 4:13. It took about an hour and 20 minutes for this whole piece to print. You can see here the finished product and what that looked like once we were finished. Please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Beagles Workshop, for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching.